Welcome to Vantage Mobility, where we transform lives with our innovative wheelchair-accessible vans. Today, we're thrilled to introduce to you the ultimate Toyota Sienna, the Toyota Northstar Side Entry. Designed to provide you with unparalleled mobility, both inside and out, this van is a game changer. Let's start with the exterior. The Northstar Side Entry maintains a sleek, stylish design of the Toyota Sienna, but we've engineered it to be the only all-wheel drive wheelchair van on the market. This means you get traction, safety, and control that the other wheelchair vans simply can't offer, ensuring you can drive confidently through every season. Now let's talk about accessibility. The Northstar features a 56.1-inch ramp door height and a 29.3-inch ramp door width, providing ample space and easy entry and exit. The ramp itself is 30 inches wide and has an 8.8-degree angle, making it smooth and effortless to use. Inside, you'll find a generous 58 3/4 inch of interior headroom, allowing for comfortable movement and maneuverability. Plus, the ramp can handle up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring it can accommodate a wide range of mobility devices. One of the standout features of the Northstar are its interchangeable front seats. You can easily swap seats with your travel partner, making it possible for both of you to share the driving duties. It's all about redefining road trip freedom and enjoying the journey together. Entering and exiting the Northstar is a breeze, thanks to the automatic suspension lowering feature. The lowered ramp angle makes curb parking easier than ever, and you can toggle the power needle off for deploying onto tall curbs. The interior of the Northstar is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. It features a durable rubber floor that's easy to clean and LED lighting throughout for a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Plus, the Access 360 interior space ensures that everyone travels comfortably. Safety is paramount in the Northstar. With the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and more, you can drive with peace of mind. Each trim level offers additional features to enhance your driving experience, from the soft text trim seats in the XEL to the sport tune suspension in the XSC, and the luxurious leather trim seats and panoramic view monitor in the Limited. And let's not forget about our industry-leading rust defense. Every new Vantage Mobility wheelchair van conversion comes with a 7-year, infinite-mile rust-through warranty, so you can embrace the road ahead knowing that your vehicle is built to last. The Toyota Northstar Side Entry is more than just a vehicle. It's your key to independence and freedom. Thank you so much for visiting us today. Visit us at Vantage Mobility to learn more and to take the next steps towards your unparalleled mobility.